Solve this two-step equation. It is a two-step equation because it includes two operations, multiplication shown here and addition shown here. Let's take this equation and plug it into this template. The coefficient of x goes here, so we get 2x plus 5 equals 15. We undo the addition here by subtracting, so we get 2x plus 5 minus 5 equals 15 minus 5. So we subtract this value 5 from both sides of the equation. This leaves 2x equals 15 minus 5, or 10. This expression involves multiplication, so we undo it with division. 2x divided by 2 equals 10 divided by 2. Both sides of the equation are divided by 2. Simplifying, we get x is equal to 5.